How to update iPhone to the latest iOS. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Updating your iPhone is important because it brings new features, better performance, and important security fixes. The process is quite simple, so here's how you do it. First of all, make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Updates are usually large, so mobile data is not recommended. Now, ensure that your battery is at least 50% or plug in your phone into charging during the update. In my case, I have 46% battery, but make sure that you have at least 50%. Just ignore my battery for today. And now, after you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi and make sure that your battery is 50%, open up the Settings app on your device. Inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General. Under General, look for Software Update and tap on it. If an update is available, you will see Download and Install button. Tap on it and enter your passcode if asked for your iOS, agree to the terms and condition, and wait for the download to complete. If your iOS is up to date already, you'll be able to see this message at the bottom that says iOS is up to date. iOS is the operating system developed by Apple, and regular updates help keep your device secure, smooth, and up to date with new features. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.